Are you looking for a totally versatile dress slash skirt that is going to make you happy and joyful every time that you put it on? I'm Gina with WTI, and I got this super youthful, flirty skirt from Lannaclothesdesign. It's so bright and cheerful and flowy, and it doesn't just have to be a skirt, you can also wear it as a dress. As you can see, I just pulled it up over my bra, threw a jacket on and a belt, and it was the perfect length for me. I'm 5'4", 140 pounds. I got the small medium in regular length, which is 37 inches. It's nice and floor length when I wear it as a skirt, and then as a dress, the highest part of it hits just above the knee. This is so comfortable. It has elastic around the whole waist area, and it's not constricting or tight. I got the teal peacock flower design, although they have a lot of other designs and colors, so you can have a whole rainbow in your closet. I'm a seamstress, so I was impressed by how well made these are. In fact, they're handmade. I think you're going to have so much fun wearing this, and because it's so well made, it's going to last you a long time. And that's my point of view.